Hello, beautiful people. This is Abdullah Abubakar. I am a fourth year veterinary medicine student studying in Kansas State University, Manhattan, Kansas. I'm also a global UGRAD Pakistan Spring 2024 alumnus. Today, I'm going to talk about what are the things that you need to take with you to the US. I mean, packing. So, I'm making this video specifically for the boys because I faced this thing when I watched the videos on the YouTube of alumni that were all females who made the videos on packing things. So, I'm making this video for the boys. Let's go. So, the first thing I want to tell is don't pack the things and don't buy the things before your ticket because it depends that how many bags are you allowed to take to the US, like how many check-in bags are you allowed. If you are allowed to take two check-in bags of 23 kg with you to the US, you have to pack more stuff as compared to if you are allowed only one bag. So please wait for your ticket and then start packing the stuff. As I was allowed two bags, I will tell you the list of the things that I took with me to the US. I took 5 jeans, one dress pant. It's better if you take a 2 piece or 3 piece pen coat with you. You also have to see where you are going. If you are going in a cold state, you have to have some warm stuff with you. Buy some inners. Also, it depends that which part of the year are you going. So, I brought two big jackets from Pakistan to the US, 6 or 7 sweaters, 3 sweatshirts, almost 8 to 9 dress shirts because I like to wear the dress shirts, 4 to 5 t-shirts, 2 shorts, 3 trousers. It's better if you take more shorts and more trousers to the US. And also some warm socks and vests. Of course, if you're coming to a cold state, you have to have a winter cap and some warm gloves. If I'm talking about shoes, so I brought 3 pair of shoes, in which 1 pair of shoes are dress shoes. But I have to buy some waterproof shoes from here because of the snowfall. Also, don't forget to bring prayer mat. If I'm talking about the soaps and shampoos or conditioners, I brought only one soap, one shampoo, and one conditioner, and one body lotion. Because in my university, I can get all these stuff for free from Cat's Cover, so it depends on your university. Also, if you're a boy, don't forget to bring the trimmer machines for your beard because it's really expensive here. These are the things that I packed in 2 check-in bags and 1 carry-on. If you have any questions, please write it in the comments. I will make videos and question and answers soon.